So here we are inside Soundtrap, and I'm going to go ahead and enter the studio. I just started a new project. I'm inside Soundtrap, and I'm going to go for music. I have the choice at this point of doing like music or the podcast, which is just an audio recording. We're gonna go for music. And I would like to try the Patterns Beat Maker. Alright, it's pretty cool, so let's try that now. Alright, so here we are inside the Beat Maker. So the beats has a lot to do with drum. So here I am inside the Beat Maker. And so you have different drums. You have a kick drum, a snare drum, and a hi-hat. So let's work on the kick. Press play or use the space bar to start playing. So when I, did you hear, you just heard that one beat. When I make this box go live, now watch if I make all 4 of these boxes go live. See, I'm throwing down beats. I'm getting it started. So see how it's changing? Now it's just loops. What if I want to throw in like a weird one? See how it changes just the mood? What if I go I got a whole nother vibe going. Okay. So how about a snare? Let me take all those off so you heard what the kick sounds like. Now here's what a snare sounds like. Okay, let me do all 4 of these so you can hear it. Oh, it's a lot higher sound, right? Okay. Let's take those off. Let's see what the hi-hat sounds like. Even higher. Okay, so that's like the cymbal, you know? Okay, can I add something? Let's see. I can, so I added and it automatically put in a hi-hat. So now I use this down arrow, open that up. Now I'm gonna pick a, how about let's go low. Let's try that. Let's hear what that sounds like. So I want to get, I'm looking for like kind of a bassy sound. Oh, I like that. Here I go. Look at that. I'm throwing down beats, you guys. Ready for a little snare? Look at that. I just made a tune. That's how easy it is to do the beats. Okay. I want you to try it now. It's your turn. So when you create your beat, right? You can test it this way. That red button right there is a record. So here we go. I'm going to record it. That's it. Okay. So now I made a recording. Okay, I made the recording. Now I go up here to save. Save in my project. Next thing I'm going to do is this right here. I'm going to download it. And it's saving it in WAV, the format. And I'm just going to say this is beat 1. Save it down here to my desktop. So now I have beat 1. And so I have this tune. But I only have it for one time around, so that's going to be for 4 of those boxes, because I didn't create more, because I could keep going. You see where the 2 is right here? I could continue and change my beat a little bit if I wanted to, but I just recorded only this much. So now a beat is like a loop. I can throw that into a piece of music and I can loop it. I could play it over and over in the background. So that's getting you started on beats. And I'm going to end this lesson right here, and come on back if you want to learn more. See you later.